To naturally cleanse your liver, consume these 6 foods. Every day, most of us eat a lot of processed food. The environmental contamination comes next. We consume a lot of chemicals and preservatives every day. All of this makes it essential that our body receive periodic support in order to maintain its functionality and health. One of the most crucial parts of our body's detoxification process is the liver. Your body won't be able to absorb nutrients from food without the liver. You should make sure to incorporate these 6 healthy foods for your liver into your normal diet in order to detox your liver and remove toxins from your body. 1. Grapefruit. Grapefruit includes significant levels of glutathione and vitamin C, both of which support the liver. Glutathione is naturally produced by the liver as well. Glutathione is essential for numerous bodily functions. This involves creating the proteins and chemicals the body needs to function, as well as the tissue building and immune system building processes. 2. Garlic. There are countless potent advantages of garlic for your liver. It contains selenium, a mineral that supports antioxidant activity and is excellent for liver detoxification. Garlic contains vitamin B6, which reduces inflammation in your liver. Garlic contains an amino acid called arginine, which aids in relaxing blood arteries. This lowers the blood pressure inside of your liver. 3. Avocados. One well-known superfood is avocado. You will have more motivation to eat it once you understand that it is also a superfood for your liver. Glutathione, vitamin C, and vitamin E are present in avocado. These nutrients act as antioxidants to combat damaging free radicals and save liver cells from oxidative stress. Due to their anti-inflammatory properties, the vitamins E and K included in this fruit also aid in defending your liver against damaging inflammation. They contain good fats that further aid in lowering your cholesterol. 4. Green leafy vegetables. As they remove toxins, metals, and pesticides from the environment and your diet, leafy green vegetables can aid in preserving your liver. More spinach, chicory, and arugula should be consumed because they can aid in boosting bile flow and getting rid of waste. Beets should also be consumed since they aid in the purification and cleansing of your blood. This improves liver performance and boosts the body's ability to produce nutrients. Additionally, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts should be consumed. They help the liver produce enzymes that facilitate the removal of poisons. 5. Turmeric. Curcumin is the principal active component of turmeric. It is well known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This component also aids in bile duct defense. This facilitates increased bile flow, which cleanses the liver. By preventing the conversion of alcohol and poisons into substances that could harm your liver, it also aids in the renewal of your liver's cells. Turmeric helps to provide a small amount of flavor to food while also providing wonderful health benefits. 6. Walnuts. As a result of their high arginine content, walnuts are something you should eat more of. It is crucial in assisting your liver with ammonia detoxification. Additionally, walnuts are a rich source of glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids. They aid in liver cleansing. They are packed with antioxidants, which aid in scavenging dangerous free radicals. They also contain beneficial unsaturated fats, which are beneficial in 2 ways. Preventing your liver from accumulating fat. Strong cell membranes are being developed around the liver cells. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.